Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to drift a Porsche Cayenne. First, ensure you are in a safe, controlled environment, like a large, empty parking lot or a track. It's crucial to understand your Cayenne's all-wheel drive system and its weight distribution. Before attempting any slides, completely disable all electronic stability and traction control systems. This gives you full control over the vehicle's dynamics, which is essential for initiating and maintaining a controlled slide. Safety is paramount, so always prioritize a secure setting. To initiate a controlled slide, approach a wide turn at a moderate speed, perhaps between 30 and 40 miles per hour. As you enter the turn, briefly lift your foot off the accelerator. This action shifts the vehicle's weight to the front, lightening the rear. Immediately follow this with a quick, decisive steering input into the turn. Then, gently but firmly reapply the throttle. This combination helps to overcome the rear tire's grip, allowing the back of the Cayenne to begin to slide out. Once the slide begins, the key is precise control. Immediately countersteer by turning the steering wheel in the opposite direction of the slide. This helps to balance the car and prevent it from spinning out. Simultaneously, you'll need to modulate the throttle with your right foot. Increase the throttle to widen the drift angle or maintain speed, and ease off to reduce the angle. Keep your eyes focused far ahead, looking through the turn to anticipate the car's path. To smoothly exit the drift, gradually reduce your throttle input as you approach the end of the turn. As the car begins to straighten, slowly unwind the countersteering, allowing the front wheels to align with your desired direction of travel. The goal is a seamless transition back to normal driving. If you feel the car is still sliding too much, a very gentle application of the brakes can help to settle the vehicle and regain full control. Practice makes perfect for smooth exits.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.